আমরা আরো এক্সপানশন করব যদি আমরা রুম পাই যদি অ্যাপ্লিকেশন under Water Pollution and Air Pollution Act. This online consent management and monitoring system was made operational in the year 2020 to ensure transparency, time-bound, contactless, paperless, and hassle-free this issuance of consent to operate certificates to various applicants. To extend these services in the TTADC areas and to actually facilitate the process, a help desk is being established today by the Tripura State Pollution Control Board in the TTADC headquarters. So, the main aim of establishment of this help desk will be to facilitate the industrial unit, the applicants or the entrepreneurs in the state to apply for application and obtain the consent certificates free of cost, and also to address various environmental issues in the state. So I thank our Honorable Minister for Science, Technology and Environment for taking this initiative and guiding us in this direction towards establishment of this help desk in and other services also that our Department of Science, Technology and Environment and Tripura State Pollution Control Board performs in the TTADC areas. So there will be many other services also that our Department of Science, Technology and Environment and Pollution Control Board that performs, they will be extended in the TTADC area so that there is holistic development of the region and the entire state of Tripura. So I would not take that much time, and I once again take this opportunity to welcome all the dignitaries who have come here to attend this program for inauguration of the help desk of Tripura State Pollution Control Board in the TTADC areas. Thank you very much.
Senior Nigam, opening of help desk of Tripura State Pollution Control Board ni jengmi tongo o pandani President te ornego inaugurator hisabe bhaimanga phaika Shri Animesh Debarma, Honorable Minister, Science, Technology and Environment Department, Government of Tripura. They ornego bhai Manjakar Chief Guest hisabe Shri Purna Chandra Jamatia, Honorable Chief Executive Member, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council. The guest of honor hisabe Manjakha Shri Ananta Debarma, Honorable Executive Member, Science, Technology and Environment, TTADC. They Dr. K.S. Vasikumar is not there? Okay. The grand media friends. First of all, I'd like to thank the Member Secretary of Tripura State Pollution Control Board for inviting me, and also I thank and welcome Shri Animesh Debarma, Honorable Minister, because this has been our dream. Sini je imang money or Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council jar nego State Tripura State Pollution Control Board ni the help desk khainani. It was our dream. It has taken almost 39-40 years to fulfill our dream. Today, our dream has been fulfilled by opening of help desk of Tripura State Pollution Control Board. Tinini sime je Tripura State Pollution Control Board ni je samung ni the benefit now TTADC from TTADC headquarters Khomolong Oranino the benefit monthai the bonus hamon Orange Tangai the benefit monthai Tripura tribal areas of the district council the Borok Tongera the citizens Tongera now they can also avail the benefits of Tripura State Pollution Control Board. Hanibangai, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Administration Engai, Ang, Mrs. Khaye, Tripura State Pollution Control Board needs the member secretary, the online members, Abong, Daptar needs a minister, or ADC, we want to belay Hambai, the Hambai Rogo, the Oranigo. শুধু ওরা এডিসি হেডকোয়ার্টার যে বরফ নাই বড় গিয়া সারা এডিসি এলাকা নি রাইট ফ্রম জামপুর হিল টু সাবরুম মাগরুম ইয়াং ধর্মনগর টু সাবরুম ওরা এডিসি এলাকা যারা তংনাইরা বরফ ত্রিপুরা স্টেট পলিউশন কন্ট্রোল বোর্ড ইজ এ সামং যে বেনিফিট বন মাগৈ যাতে চামানাই যা খাইনে বঙে আং কয়নাই te orang ngo kabang khlaiui jate je orang ni je samni benefit no jeng nagri avail khlai jeng halainani chalainani edisiala kago hai o ta sagai orang ni go jara khai manda khenira বিশেষ khlai science and technology ni je member secretary theka arambho khlai orang ni je directors khenira officers staff Teora ADC ni Dara Pai Manda Penera Borna Hai Hambai Ragoi Titi ADC Administration পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই শুভেচ্ছা জানাই আজকের এই যে হেলথ ডে